In this video, you'll learn how to add a Coming Soon label to your Shopify products using the theme editor. First, select the Online Store option from the sidebar. Then click on the Edit Theme icon to access your theme settings. Next, choose the Hero tab to start customizing your template. Enter a template name and fill in the relevant fields for your new section. Open the Default Product dropdown to adjust product-specific settings. Select options like Price and Divider to control how your product information is displayed, and add blocks to build your layout. Then, insert elements such as the Variant Picker, or remove unused blocks like Buy buttons. Customize your product options. Toggle input methods and quantity fields as needed to match your availability settings. Now, configure the Add to Cart button and close out sections you don't need. Expand any collapsed areas, like Buy buttons, to reveal more options if necessary. Continue by adding more blocks for additional content and open header sections for customization. Select and edit descriptive text fields and add your product announcement or coming soon message. Select the Coming Soon text block to modify it, add more blocks if desired, and type or update the message for your product's launch. Finally, review and customize other product fields and formatting, such as adding italic styling or collapsing sections, to perfect your product's presentation before publishing. You've successfully added a Coming Soon label to your Shopify product. See you in the next tutorial.